In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your cookies in Google Chrome. If you've noticed that your browser is running slowly or you're encountering site-specific issues, clearing your cookies can help. So let's dive right into it, starting with opening Google Chrome. Now that your browser is open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is commonly referred to as the hamburger menu. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you access to a variety of options. For our purposes today, look for the one labeled Settings and go ahead and select it. This will open up a new tab dedicated to all things related to your browser's configuration. Once you're on the Settings page, you'll notice a menu panel on the left side of your screen. Here, you're going to click on Privacy and Security. This section is essentially the safety center for your browsing experience, allowing you to control what kind of data is stored and how it's managed. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option labeled Delete Browsing Data. Click that, and you'll be directed to a new screen where you can choose what types of data you'd like to remove from your browser. You'll see a list of different kinds of data, but for today, we're focusing on cookies and other site data. Make sure to tick the box beside it. One more step before you proceed. You will see an option to select the time range for which you want to delete your cookies. Time range simply means how far back you want to clear your browsing. It could be from the last hour, the last 24 hours, or even all time. This choice is up to you, but if you're facing persistent issues, selecting all time can be the most comprehensive solution. Finally, at the bottom of this panel, you'll find a button labeled Delete Data. Once you click that, Chrome will begin the process of deleting your cookies and potentially freeing up some space and solving any issues you've encountered with specific websites. Depending on how much data you have, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. And that's it! You've successfully cleared your cookies in Google Chrome, giving your browser a fresh start. Taking these steps periodically is a good habit to get into, as it can enhance your browsing speed and contribute to a smoother web experience. So whenever you find your browser lagging or site-specific errors cropping up, you'll know exactly how to tackle it. Thanks for watching.